The Golden Panda Black Sumi Ink Sketch Set is going to give you a really cool ability to take your Sumi style painting or watercolor painting on the road with you. It's a very convenient little tool. And let me just kind of show you what it is. It's a pocket-sized set, okay? Nice and small, compact, which features a water bottle, a palette, and a ink cake, okay? Now this isn't like a watercolor pan, it's different. It's made with real soot. That's what the traditional Chinese ink is made from. And it works with, your watercolor brushes or your, more traditional Chinese Sumi brushes. But let me just kind of show you how it works and what you can expect. When I like to do art on the road, I like to personally use pans because I find them easier than using tube paints on the road because they stay dry and they, can be wetted as needed. So you have your little bottle of water here. Now I said that these are not, they're not like traditional watercolors where they're going to get water soluble on you immediately. They're designed to be worked. You work it in with the brush. And when you watch, some of the Sumi masters that are out there, they really, they spend a lot of time with their grinding sticks when they're actually grinding the pigment. This is actually like pre-ground into a cake for you. But it's actually, they say it's part of the experience, like getting into this meditative state to prepare to do Sumi artwork. So I'm just kind of working my brush here. And you can achieve just the richest black. Look at that from this cake. And then you can go to your more subtle shades. Now I'm using just traditional watercolor paper here, but this can work on rice paper, whatever you're using for your Sumi or watercolor art. Now also, this is, like I said, traditional Chinese ink. So there's no shellac in this. This is not going to give you that high sheen. It's going to have a really nice velvety matte finish and allow you to do all kinds of different techniques. When you're done painting, it's really just nice and easy. You just put everything together. If you travel with a water brush like I was demonstrating with, this is kind of all you need. You don't even need the little bottle inside. But some people, when they do Sumi painting traditionally, they want to preload their brush, pre-charge it. And you can go ahead and make different piles of different darknesses of ink and load your brush up to do those different gradations and gradients. So this is the Golden Panda Black Sumi Ink Sketch Set, a really nice set, especially if you want to take your art on the go.